Today we're here again. We are going to be creating apple cider vinegar, and we're going to start by one thing I love about apple cider vinegar is it's a win-win. You can use either just the core and the peel, or you can use the whole of the apple. Now I've eaten the apple, I want to use just the peel. So this is what we're going to do. To start with, I've already made one batch here, and I dated it 28th of October 2020, and I want to filter this and then make another one. So what I'm going to do is something new. I don't know if someone else has done that, but I'm going to add this to this to start a whole new process. So let's start with that. So I'm going to remove this and then filter. Smells like vinegar. Okay. So this is what our apple cider vinegar looks like. So now to start the whole new process, I'll just put this in. Now I couldn't get organic apples, but we all know we're in Nigeria and we can't get organic apples. So what I did was to soak my apples with baking soda for more than 30 minutes. I washed them, then I washed all my utensils, so it's very clean. So now what I'm going to do is, this is a jar of water, the water I'm going to use. I used about 5 apples. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar. We need sugar to start the process, the growth of the bacteria. The sugar would act on the apple when the apple starts fermenting, and then that is what will release the acetic acid that we need. So we are going to add in here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you could use natural honey, but the honey would not produce as much acetic acid as we want, and that's the most powerful ingredient in the apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is not as if it really has vitamins and nutrients, but that acetic acid is what makes it all good without the nutrient that it has. So we'll just add that into our jar here, and then I'll try to shake the bottom part to make sure everything goes in. I can still see some sugar bits here. So we're done with that. So you don't use a stainless spoon. This would cause anything metal in this mixture is going to cause a reaction that we don't want. So you need to use either a wooden spoon or a plastic spoon. So we're going to dip that in and then stir. So once we are done with stirring, so the next step is to make sure we cover with either a cheesecloth or something that breathes. You need some air, but at the same time you don't want it to be exposed to germs, insects and all that. So I'll use a rubber band to hold it in place. Now I'm going to change the name here, the dates. Make sure you date, this is my, so I will change it. I'm going to remove it. So, yeah. Our dates, I've written today's date, which is 6th of February 2020. So I'm going to stick that there, and so I'll stick it here, and then we're going to leave this to ferment in a dark place. We leave it to ferment in a dark place for say 2 to 3 months. You can leave it for 2 weeks, but I want mine to really be potent, so I'll leave mine for that long. So that's how we got for our apple cider vinegar. Now this is really potent. This does wonders for the body system. It helps to heal the gut. It makes it easy for you to burn fat. It breaks down insulin in your body system. In case for those dealing with insulin resistance, it does so many things. If you have calcium deposits in your body system, like the leg, you can see how thick it is, and then the little bubbles there shows that our fermentation process was a success. So I'm really happy about this. I've been buying black vinegar and I want to stop, so this is my own thing. I think you can do it. It's very easy. All you need is time, patience, and you'll be there. So please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Toyoro Blends, and then go to Facebook. Our channel is T Blends channel on YouTube, and then on Instagram we are Toyoro Blends. So please follow us, like and share this post, and we bring more recipes to you. Thank you.